Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob of Jacob's Upgrades. Black Friday 2025 is here, and I rounded up my top 5 Amazon Black Friday picks for truck and SUV owners that enjoy DIY installs and taking their vehicle a little further off the grid. These are products that I've tested, trusted, and I've included links to all of these products and tools in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And there's some killer deals out there right now, so let's dive right in. So first up is this Nico rechargeable work light bar. If you've ever been stuck on the trail wrenching at night, completely in the dark, and needing a little bit better than that tiny flashlight, this rechargeable work light bar is absolutely incredible. I use it on almost every project in my garage, and then when I'm out on the trail, I bring it with me just in case I need it, or just a little bit of extra light around the campfire. The cool thing is it's got these magnetic mounts, so you can magnetize it underneath the hood of a vehicle. It also has these hood clamps so that you can clamp it to the hood of your vehicle, or also if you're working inside the cab of your vehicle, you can use this to clamp onto the drip rails and get better lighting working, on your instrument cluster, your steering wheel, whatever it may be. It lasts several hours on one charge. Right now it's $85 and it's 15% off, and I will say that is a killer deal. And when I'm not working on a project on my vehicle, it's always living underneath my cabinets. That way I have good downlighting on my work surface here on the workbench. At 15% off, this Nico portable rechargeable work light bar is a no-brainer. Next up on my list are these Husky Liners weather beater floor mats. These are for the 2015 to 2025 F-150, listed at $135 and 10% off for the front and rear floor mats. And this is for the Super Crew. They also have them in the Super Cab and the Standard Cab as well. These are the best floor mats you can get for your money, is my belief. They're way better than any WeatherTech mats. WeatherTech is more of a plastic material, and these Husky Liners are more rubber. And to me, they feel much better under my feet. They don't slide or move around once they're in place, and they're laser scan for an exact fit for your vehicle. And as you can see, they are pretty dirty right now already, but you lift it up and right underneath the carpet here, nice and clean. So they're super easy to clean as well. You can pull them out, dump them, and I usually use a little bit of automotive soap and a scrub brush to clean them up, and then just let them dry in the sun before I put them back in the vehicle. That way I'm not trapping any moisture underneath them. And they are great in the snow, in the sand, in rain, you name it. These are great floor mats to have. And right now they're at a great price, so make sure to snag them before the sale ends. Number 3 on my list is the Leatherman Free P2 multi-tool. The multi-tool that I have here is actually the Rev, but the Free P2 is a better multi-tool than what I have in my hands here. It's got more options. It's the only multi-tool you'll need, whether it be out on the trail, fixing something in camp, or just something to keep in your glove box. I've used this on my 79 Bronco several times for quick roadside fixes where I didn't have my whole toolbox, but all I simply needed was my Leatherman tool. This is definitely an everyday carry item that everyone should have. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you like to go off-roading, overlanding, you're a hunter, really anything, I highly recommend having a Leatherman with you at all times. And right now, this has got to be one of the best Black Friday deals out there. It is 40% off, listed at $80. So definitely check out the Leatherman Free P2 multi-tool. Fourth on my list is the Bogue RV CR Pro 30 fridge freezer. If you're into overlanding or long road trips, this portable fridge freezer is a game changer. No more soggy food in your cooler, and it keeps your food and drinks cold for days. It can run off AC or DC power, and even has an integrated battery compartment, and you can buy this separately purchased battery bank to power your fridge completely off grid, just purely off of this battery pack. This way you can bring your portable fridge freezer along with you by the campfire, down by the river, wherever it may be, for totally unplugged off-grid adventure. And I will say this portable fridge freezer is one of my favorites. It fits perfectly between the center console and my rear seat, my F-150, so that way I can have a fridge inside the cab of the truck for easy access on those long road trips. The great thing is it comes with 2 plugs, so you can run it off of DC power and plug into like a cigarette lighter or typical DC outlet in a vehicle or boat. And then also the AC power, so you can run it at home, at your campsite, wherever you want to run it. It's got power options for days. At 28% off, this is one of the best values in portable refrigeration and freezers, listed at $209. To round out my list is the DeWalt 20 volt max drill and driver combo kit that includes this bag as well as a charger and 2 batteries. And this charger is capable of charging up to 5 amp batteries. So if you've already got some DeWalt batteries or other sets, or if you're looking for a new drill and driver set, I highly recommend this kit. Whether you're in the garage working on projects or you need cordless power out on the trail, this is my go-to set for any project. The great thing about this kit is it does come with a carry bag, so you can charge everything up, throw it in the bag. There's even room for some extra tools and things in here to keep everything kind of organized and all in one place. That way it's grab and go ready. The reliability of DeWalt is really hard to beat. Right now, this is listed at $149 at 17% off. So you definitely want to pick this up while it's on this deal for Amazon Black Friday. And this rounds out my list of my top 5 Amazon Black Friday deals for 2025. Whether you're wrenching in your garage or out on the trail, these products will make your adventures go much more smoother and enjoyable. And I've included links to all of these products and tools in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, smash down that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Also, drop a comment below on what products you're purchasing for this Black Friday. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.